What's going on, guys? I know I got a couple new subscribers to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules, and today I'm going to explain what, like the title says, what's going on with the channel, what's going on with the videos, why haven't I been uploading. So this week has been a crazy week for my job, this hurricane, and this past weekend has been crazy. So if you guys don't know, the GT350 is bagged, so that car is finally bagged. I'm gonna edit the video coming soon of the process of bagging the GT350, so look out for that video. That video is coming soon. So the GT350 is officially bagged. It wasn't hard at all. It was a bit of time consuming for bagging the GT350. That's about it. Everything for bagging a car is basically like plug and play, honestly, guys. It all depends on how if you have a plan of how you want to set up the whole car. Everything else from there is basically plug and play. So the GT350 is officially bagged. Oh, and crazy enough, the GT350, I don't know if I explained this in my previous video, but the GT350 basically has a sponsorship. So I'm gonna be talking about that for a mod for the GT350 coming up. So I don't know. So my first sponsorship, the GT350 gets a sponsorship. I understand it's a newer car, but hey, it is what it is. I'm not complaining. So I'm glad the GT350 got like a sponsorship for an upcoming part that I'm gonna share with you guys. So I'm happy about that. And then also I wanted to talk to you guys. So lately I've been thinking about, like, do I want to continue to mod my car? Do I still want to do stuff to my car? I just haven't really been motivated on continuing to do stuff to my car or modding my car. But then after this weekend working on the GT350, enjoying the process of bagging that car and seeing the end results, it definitely, I guess, opened up my eyes to work on something different. Of course, this isn't the end of your car. Of course, there's more other things I could do to my car. It's a process, and I really like enjoying the process of working on the car and then seeing the end results of what you do to the car. So it's kind of like, because if you look at my car, I've done a lot of stuff to my car. So I did the front lip, the side skirts, the rear lip, the wing, the hood is different, headlights are different, of course it has full bolt-ons, it's been tuned for a while. So little things like that I've kind of like done a lot to the car already for the appearance. So, but of course you can add more stuff for the appearance and do little things here and there, but working on this new car kind of gave me an open eye on things. So I was kind of like down about that, but I really enjoy working on something different and getting that motivation and drive back to continue working on my car and continue working on the new project, the GT350. So that has been really fun as well. So also there's gonna be some changes to the channel. So right now, basically summer is over. So right now we have the hurricane. It actually passed us in Maryland. It's more like South Carolina near Florida. So it said it was gonna rain Thursday, Friday. It didn't rain at all. And this weekend is Honda Day. So today's Friday, tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday is gonna be Honda Day. So I'll go down to Honda Day, check out what kind of cars came out to Honda Day, because I don't know if it's probably going to be a good turnout because of the hurricane that recently passed. So it might be up in the air with a lot of people coming out to Honda Day, but it should be some dope cars that's coming out. I know the right-hand drive S2000 from Spoon Sport is supposed to be there, so that should be really dope. So can't wait to show you guys that. So the changes that's going to be coming to the channel, basically uploading every single day. I'm gonna get back on the grind and start pushing out content again every single day, dropping a new video. So what is these videos gonna be about? So of course there's gonna be videos here and there about both cars. So it's gonna be about the GT350 and the Honda Civic Si, but it's gonna be a little bit about more of my personal life as well. Incorporate that a little bit, especially winter time coming around, the fall and winter is coming around. So it's going to be kind of hard to work on the cars, but I'm going to try to get a lot of the stuff that we wanted to get done for both cars before the end of the year. But that's it for the video, guys. Smash the like button if you really like this video, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified on new videos dropping every single day. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.